Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up session indicators on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up the charts, and the best way to do this is to click onto indicators. Now you want to do a search for session, like so. And the one we want to use is by Lux Algo. It's one of the most popular ones here, so sessions by Lux Algo. Now click into that. Now your chart's going to look like this after that, so I'm just going to exit out of this. Now if you want to make this look a bit more cleaner, we can go ahead and click into settings. So highlight where it says Lux Algo Sessions, and to the right of that click onto settings. Now we can go ahead and change a few things inside of here. Now make sure you're on the inputs tab and go to the bottom. We can go ahead and disable those show daily dividers. Now it's going to get rid of those lines inside of your chart, so it looks a bit cleaner, as you can see. Now if you want to go ahead and make the range area transparency a little bit not as highlighted, so I'm going to change that to 70. Now if we keep scrolling up, we can change different colors here, so we can change Sydney's color, Tokyo, or whatever sessions you've got in their colors. So say if I want to change yellow to say a green, I can do so like that. And we've got also the opacity you can change as well, so if I want to do 50% of green. Now once you've finished playing around with that, go ahead and click on OK, and that's going to apply those changes, or they should apply automatically as you're making them, so you can see what they look like in real time. Now if you're not seeing the actual sessions indicators pop, it might be because of the time frame. So if we change the interval to say 1 hour, or just do 60 minutes, change interval, you might see the sessions pop up. And if you're still not seeing it, just keep changing it from say 2 hours, so I'll do 120 minutes, see if they pop up. And it depends what you there we go, so you can see the session indicators now. So yeah, that's how to set up the session indicators on Tradingview.